Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of BingX affiliate programs. If you've been looking for ways to maximize your earnings through cryptocurrency trading, you've come to the right place. The BingX affiliate program is an incredible opportunity for both newcomers and experienced traders alike. By joining this program, you can earn commissions simply by referring others to the platform. It's an easy way to monetize your network while introducing your friends and family to a trusted exchange. And speaking of commissions, use our referral code CHUCHU when signing up to unlock even greater benefits. So, what makes BingX so special? First and foremost, BingX offers a user-friendly interface designed for both beginners and seasoned traders. The platform provides advanced trading tools and features, enabling users to execute trades effectively and take full advantage of market fluctuations. When you join the BingX affiliate program, you can earn a competitive commission on every trade made by your referrals. This means that not only can you benefit from your own trading activities, but you can also profit from the successes of those you refer. It's a win-win scenario. But let's talk about the immediate benefits of using our referral code, CHUCHU. By entering this code, you'll gain access to exclusive promotions, bonuses, and potentially higher commission rates as an affiliate. It's like getting a head start in the affiliate space, allowing you to maximize your earnings right from the beginning. Additionally, with BingX's robust support system, you'll have all the resources you need to succeed as an affiliate. From professional marketing materials to real-time analytics, you'll be equipped with everything to track your performance and optimize your referral strategies. In conclusion, the BingX affiliate program represents a fantastic opportunity to earn while helping others explore the world of cryptocurrency trading. So, don't miss out. Sign up today using our referral code CHUCHU and start your journey towards building a profitable affiliate business. Thank you for watching this episode on Crypto Horizon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content about the crypto space. Happy trading!